In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Metabase 26. We'll start from the questions view in Metabase, where you can see a table or chart based on a query. Make sure you're looking at the results you want to refine. Filtering here is perfect for narrowing down large data sets, focusing your analysis, and answering specific business questions without rewriting queries. First, open the question you want to analyze so the results are visible. If your question is built with the Query Builder or SQL, that's fine. Filters work from the results view either way. Take a quick look at the columns so you know which field you want to use for filtering. Next, click the Filter button. You'll usually find it near the top of the results area. This opens a panel that lets you choose fields and define conditions. Think of this panel as your control center for slicing the data you already have on screen. Now choose the Category field. In many datasets, category is a common dimension used to group items, like product categories or issue types. If you don't see it at first glance, use the search field at the top of the filter panel to quickly find it. Selecting category tells Metabase you want to include only certain category values in the results. With category selected, pick the values you care about. You'll see a list of available categories pulled from your data. Click one to highlight it, which marks it for inclusion. If you need to compare or combine categories, click another value to highlight that as well. Each selection refines the focus of your analysis. You can select a single value for a tight view or several values to broaden the scope while still keeping noise out. Once your selections look right, click Apply Filter. Metabase will update the results to include only the rows that match the categories you chose. Give it a moment on large data sets. You should see the table or chart refresh, row counts adjust, and any summaries or aggregations recalculate based on the filtered slice. A few quick tips to get the most out of this workflow. The search box in the value list helps when there are many categories. Filters can be combined later with additional fields for deeper analysis. And the filter chip that appears above the results makes it easy to see exactly what's being applied at a glance. That's it. Open your question, use filter, choose category, select the values you want, and apply. You now know how to filter data in Metabase with confidence.